Good morning, guys. How's it going? Well, as you can hear by the frogs, I'm back here again. But the Tench lake, if you watch the video from last week on the Tench fishing, I didn't, well, I won't say any more, but it's a great lake and I'm definitely going to return to it. But these conditions for that particular place, I don't think are ideal, even though it's very sunny. But have a look at this, another new water, and I don't think, quite honestly, we'll blank today. And this is a swim I was having a look at last week and I thought, yeah, I like that. How about that? It's 7:30 AM and isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Now this is what they call the Snake Lake, and it varies between 3 and 4 foot deep, so it's not that deep, but I just like the look of it. So the swim I've picked here, I'm about to set up my gear. I'm just going to quickly run through it and then we'll start getting some bait out fishing. I've seen some bubbles coming up there, they are fish bubbles. So we've got common carp to 15 pounds in here, mirror carp to 15 pounds, golden Orfe to 6 pounds, roach to 2 pounds, and tench to 5 pounds. So quite a nice variety of fish. And what I do like about it, I love float fishing against the reeds. Some nice reeds over there. There's some really nice reeds down here. These are the sort of places. Can you just, if I jut out a little bit, guys, see that little sort of crevice within the weed there? That looks nice and fishy. In fact, it all looks nice and fishy. And the other good thing about this swim is there's a swim over there. You can just see it there, but that's a little way around the corner. So basically I've got this whole area where there's no other swims, you can't get to it. So this part is relatively undisturbed, and this, guys, is our swim. Well, another tiny little mirror carp. Pretty little fish, isn't it? Catching a few of these on and off. Nice. Lonely old sweet corn. Lovely little fish. Oh guys, nice little, nice little tench. If I can keep it still for a minute. Lovely fish. I do love tench. Gorgeous. So pretty. I'll take it any day. Up. It's not a huge fish, but these fish are really nice condition. Perfect. Really nice. Beautiful fish, actually. Right. Okay. So I put that back. That's a very nice fish. Great little gadget. Yeah. Another angler over there. Got a few anglers here today. So there you have it, guys. Snake Lake. How wet was this grass when we came in this morning? There's a lot of dew on the grass this morning. Anyway, need some more water. Make sure you anglers, when you go fishing, yeah, bring plenty of water with you. I didn't bring any last week. Luckily I met somebody and they gave me some, but please make sure you've got plenty of water with you, otherwise you're going to dehydrate or go on with a pretty bad headache. We don't want that, do we? That's it. There you go. A lovely little fish. First gudgeon today out of here. Back you go. Right. So, not what we wanted, but it's a fish. Really want a nice tench. I'll be happy with a tench. £2 plus today, that would be nice. I'll be happy with that. Another little dip. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, and another little one. Feisty little. Oh, okay. A little bit bigger than. Oh, would you believe it, guys? Yeah. He's come off the hook. We'll use this tatty old worm again. We're just going to have some fun with this. All right, out you go. Tatty old worm. Wow, that went straight down. No messing about. Okay, this is just this is just a bit of fun. Right, let's get that line tightened up a bit. Here we go. Nice little dip there. Another little dip. It's going to sail away in a minute. Here. Oh, it come off. Do prick quite a lot of these fish. The hook is very, very sharp, I can assure you. It is sharp. But they have got quite soft mouths. Some places fish have got slightly harder mouths than others. I think it depends on their diet and kind of what the bottom's like. Oh dear me, come on Clyde, wake up, wake up. Oh, that's a lovely bite. Oh, that's nice. Small, but okay. It's got a little bend in the rod. It's going to be a carp though, I think. It won't be a small tench. I think sure it's going to be trying to get in the reeds. Sure it's going to be a small carp. Great fun though. They still put a nice little bend in the rod. I mean, for what size they are, they've feisted it. Yeah, little common as muck. Come on in, let's be having you. Swing high, sweet chariot, coming for the telling. There you go. See you later. Back you go. They're just about swingable. Just. I think my worm's looking a bit worse worm for wear. Let's put in another lively one with it. I'm being a cheapskate. Right, out we go again. Oh, sure that was a bite straight away. Oh, no one here. Lovely. Peace and trust. Oh, here we go. Bam. Bumblebees. Oh, it's an Orfe. It's a lovely Orfe. Second one today, guys. Lovely fish. Glistening in the sunshine. Shall we swing it in? Yeah, we can swing this in just. Oh, it's quite a big one. About the same size as the other one. Lovely. Beautiful fish. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Keep still. Yeah. Lovely fish. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's get it back. Off you go. So this is generally, guys, how it's been sort of going all day long. Lots of fish, lots of fun. And sometimes, although it's really nice to catch big fish, just having some fun and enjoying the session. Really glad I brought that extra water today, I can tell you. Right, let's just check. See if the missus is asking what time I'm going to be home. No, not yet, she's not. Okay, let's carry on. All right. Wouldn't believe that he came back again. Right, that's it. Almost. Look at those lovely trees. That line of trees, look. Beautiful, aren't they? Really beautiful.